Don't think it's as easy as, oh, I'm just gonna grow a beard and boom, I'm gonna look more attractive. Yes, beards have the power of making any dude look better, but the problem is they take care. There's certain rules that you need to follow to make sure your beard always looks on point. And the problem is most guys, when they grow a beard, they usually commit one of these 6 mistakes. Let's hop into that. Number 1, they shave too high up on the neck area. Look, your goal with the beard is this. You want that sharp jawline. You want it as defined as possible. The problem is too many men are bringing up their beard line too close to their jawline, which just accentuates their double chin. You don't want that. You want to keep all this dark, and your jawline should end right here, where your jaw meets your neck. That's where you should end your beard line. Which rolls on to number 2. You bring your cheekbones too low. Again, your goal is facial structure. You want to build up that nicely defined structure. One of the key attributes are your cheekbones. You want to highlight this. To do this, you want to keep your beard as high as it grows. So if this is your natural beard line, keep it as thick as possible, and you're just trying to clear your cheekbones. What this is gonna do is it's gonna highlight your cheekbones and give you that super strong jaw that you're looking for. What most men do is that they end up bringing their natural beard line too low, which just highlights their cheeks, not their cheekbones, and now you look like you have a circular face versus an angular one. Number 3, you don't condition it. See, you gotta start thinking of your beard like the hair, like your natural head hair. When you don't condition your head hair, what happens? It gets thin, it gets wiry, it also gets frizzy because it's all dried out and it's looking for humidity. Well, all that happens the same onto your beard, and what ends up happening is that this ends up making your beard weaker and more wiry and look thinner because your hair looks thinner. See, growing out your beard, it's not just natural. You have to have a care routine. For example, I usually start with a beard shampoo. This is also important. Don't use a regular shampoo, given that that's designed for your head. See, your beard is sitting on your face. The skin on your face is much more sensitive, so you need a beard shampoo that's good for your beard, but also gentle on the skin underneath your beard so you're not over drying it. Then I like to go in with my conditioner. This one's from our sponsor, Scotch Porter. This thing's amazing, smells great, and the great part with the conditioner is that it's gonna soften the hair. This is what you want. Again, when a girl's touching your beard, you want it to be soft. You don't want it to be prickly. You don't want it to be wiry. You don't want it to be dried out. But more importantly, when you hydrate your beard with a conditioner, what ends up happening is now your beard looks thicker. See, the way that hair works is that when it's dried out, it looks thin and wiry. You don't need that in your beard because it's just gonna look patchy. But when hair is hydrated, it thickens. It looks thicker, it's softer, so now your beard will look thicker. So while I'm using my Scotch Porter conditioner, I'll massage that in there for about 2 to 5 minutes. Not only is it a soothing process, but it also smells amazing. So the whole time, it's an enjoyable experience. After this step, I'll step out the shower, and usually I'll just grab some beard balm. I'll put it in there. This conditions the beard all day, and it also keeps it in place, which is what you want, because that way it'll look thicker and put together. See, what I love about this Scotch Porter beard collection is that since it's designed for beards, it's using non-toxic ingredients that are not going to be damaging for your skin, and instead it's using ingredients that reinforce hair growth, that promote healthy, strong, and thick hair growth in the beard. For example, a lot of these ingredients are infused with biotin or turmeric, ingredients that have been proven to help promote that thick hair growth that you're looking for, so your beard is not only healthy and clean and put together, but you're also trying to get it to grow and stimulate that growth. If you guys want to check out this beard collection, I suggest any dude that has a beard needs to start taking care of their beard. You need that shampoo, you need that conditioner, and you need that beard balm. If you've never taken care of your beard, right now is the time to do so. I'm going to have Scotch Porter linked down below. Start trying it out and see the difference that it's going to make on your beard. Number 4, you just keep one beard length. Again, massive mistake. When you're growing up a beard, you want to taper or fade your beard into the middle. The usual trick is you want to keep your cheeks low to your skin, and you want to keep this area a little bit thicker and longer. Again, this is something you can tell your barber to do. What this ends up doing is that it narrows your facial structure, because you're keeping this low and makes it look as if you're more structured or as if you have a slimmer down face. This works great on dudes that have bigger cheeks or more of a round face because it helps you give you that structure. Number 5, you're not brushing your beard. Again, start thinking of your beard as your hair, and I promise you most of these mistakes will go out the window. Similar to your hair, you want to start brushing your beard because it conditions your hair to lay in the way you want it to lay. So when you brush it every day, your hair is going to start training so it lays in that direction. And the great part of that is that you can train it to lay and cover your patches. Say you have patches in certain areas of your beard. If you start training your hair to cover those areas, your beard will look thicker and better overall. Number 6, you have flakes. See, when you have beard flakes, it usually means that the skin underneath your beard is overly dried. This is where you want to come in with a serum or a beard oil. This is a crucial step that you can add if you deal with flakes. So what a serum or a beard oil will do is it's going to add extra hydration for the beard while also hydrating and soothing the skin underneath to make sure it's not overly drying out and creating the white flakes. And finally, number 7, you're not treating the weak zones. See, almost every dude will have weak zones. For example, my left side is a little bit weaker than my right side. The thing is that you can't actually do something about that. And this is something I do every day. See, if you have weak zones, you can do natural remedies to help stimulate some of that hair growth, like taking certain vitamins like your biotin, etc. You can use certain oils that have turmeric and castor oil and biotin, which help promote some of that hair growth. You can also use a derma roller. So the point is that every time you have a weak spot, don't just give up and think, oh man, I can't grow a beard. Start working on it. Start using some of these natural remedies to help stimulate some of that hair growth and have a better looking beard. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Scotch Porter. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.